Good morning, viewer. Behind the share, here's the most amazing news for our viewers. Yeah, the remarkable navigation and route recalling abilities of migratory animals may stem not only from their sensitivity to Earth's magnetic fields but also from a potential interaction with magnetic bacteria living with them. The relationship between this magnetic bacteria and the animals they reside in is not yet fully understood, but UCF Department of Biology Assistant Professor Robert Fittock recently compiled a database of animal DNA that houses hundreds of millions of sequences showing the presence of various types of magnetic bacteria to use as a tool in his pursuit to learn more. The database signals a step forward in his research and builds on previous hypotheses and analysis published in 2020 in collaboration with colleagues in the United Kingdom and Israel. In 2021, Fittock continued pouring through databases to categorize which animals may host magnetic bacteria and if there are prevalent patterns. The first study we did was look at existing data sets and summarize where we found this bacteria in different animals. He says we searched about 50,000 previous scientific studies. Now we actually expanded that to studying a worldwide database of genetic information, and we have been able to summarize where these bacteria are located based on trillions of genetic sequences. The database was published earlier this year in Data in Brief, and it borrows information from the publicly available sequence read archive from the National Center for Biotechnology Information. Yeah, Fittock focused on organizing DNA sequences originating from across animal species that match known magnetic bacteria to assist the also another researchers to narrow their efforts in examination of both environmental and ecological roles of magnetic bacteria or to identify potential host animals. Fittock and his colleagues are using the refined data to identify potential host organisms for the magnetic bacteria and do provide greater context for examining the roles they may play in animals such as for navigation. Behind this exclusive report.